Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium with a very special mail call. This box just got into us. We're really excited about the contents. Straight across the pond from Europe comes some uncirculated, mint, primo condition items from Gillette. Now these came from a private estate, and these items are literally uncirculated, meaning a lot of them are still in the original wax paper. You would never see this. This would not be put onto a shelf like this. This is how either they left the Gillette factory in England, or as they arrived to a retail store to sell, but never even opened, never unwrapped. We have almost 24 of these Gillette Gyromatics. These are kind of like basically a British rocket. They're made in England in the original case, and the Gyromatic tag here, you never see this tag because it was peeled off. Another really incredible find are some of these original condition Gillette Swedish silver blue blades, super silver blue blades. Unheard of, on the unobtainium list for most people. We have a couple packs of these that just came in. Speaking of blades, we got in this Gillette silver stainless blade pack. We have a couple of these. So some of these new old stock blades are at the premium point in history where Gillette was making double-edged blades, and they're at the highest level of quality, and they are untouched. These are sealed still. But by far, I've saved the best for last. We have some of these Gillette slim adjustable gift sets. Now, you usually see the Gillette slim adjustable in the blue case. That is a huge feat just to find that. If it has the blades, even better. But to have it in the gift set, untouched with the original cellophane top like this, that's not even scratched up, again, uncirculated. Items like these, in 12 years of collecting and buying and selling, I can never say there was a point in time we had anything like this come in. And we had to tell you guys about this. So get on it today because they're going to go fast. We hope you guys enjoy some of these awesome new old stock items we're bringing to the rest of the shaving world. And we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium.